Hi, this is Shanna Borman bringing you straight talk and honest advice about family law here in the Brazos Valley. Today we're going to talk about discovery. Discovery is the process where we exchange information about what you want in the case and why you want it. Now, you know I'm known for my straight talk, so I'm going to talk straight to you now and not talk like a lawyer. When we talk about discovery, what we're talking about are questions that the other party asks you, and you answer them, and then lists of documents that the other party asks you to provide. So when I'm talking about questions, they're wanting to know, who are you going to have testify? Why do you want what you want? And when it comes to documents, they may ask you for bank statements. They may ask you for paycheck stubs. But those types of documents are the ones that you have to gather in response to those questions. Now, discovery is important because if we don't tell the other side who we're going to call as a witness, or we don't give the other side the document that's helpful to your case, we can't introduce those things in court. So what that means is the more thorough that you are in listing witnesses or listing people who know facts that are relevant to your issues, the more likely it is that we'll be able to construct a good, strong trial strategy to get the result that you want. When my clients answer discovery, I want you to be thorough. I want you to list all the reasons why you want what you want, if that's what you're asked. I don't want you to list the number one reason. But if there are things that you are really uncomfortable about, because sometimes they ask questions that make you uncomfortable, I want you to tell me what answers you're really uncomfortable about, or tell me what documents you really don't want to produce, so that I can either develop a strategy to deal with those bad facts, or see if there are ways to object to prevent having to produce it. The goal is to be sensitive to what you want while still being responsive to what they're requesting. Now, it's important for you when you're answering or responding to these questions that you give us as much information as you can. Now, I said before, be thorough, but what you have to understand from that is, I don't know who your neighbors are, and I don't know who your kids' teachers are, and I don't know who may have those facts. Only you know that information. So I can't help you unless you help you by giving me that information to provide to them. Now, I know when you're served with discovery requests, they're daunting, they're long, and I know it seems like it's going to be a lot of work, and it is. And I know your inclination is going to be to procrastinate, because I know that's my inclination. I'm the worst there is when it comes to procrastinating. But understand this, I need you to get me back your answers in the time frame that I've asked you to get them to me, so that I can deal with some of the concerns you may express, or I can organize some of the documents that you provide to me, so that I have enough time to get your answers in a form that I can give to the other side so that we meet our rules. So I know it's a lot of work, but I'm going to encourage you, get right on it. Don't delay. And again here, this is Shanna Borman talking straight talk to you. Don't put it off. Help me help you so we can get it done.